Among birds, the task of claiming and defending territory typically belongs to the males. Here, the male red-bellied woodpecker extracts an impudent starling from a nest hole it was trying to usurp in the woodpecker's willow tree. Male woodpeckers may sing a territorial song or may drum to claim a territory. But so do female woodpeckers. This is a female downy woodpecker drumming on her hollow limb. Beside her nest hole, the female northern flicker sings a territorial song similar to that of her mate. But remember the little downy female drumming on the ancient willow? She is 1/4 the size of the flicker, but she is a jealous giant at defending her tree, especially against another woodpecker. Whatever the arrangements of other birds regarding homeland defense, female woodpeckers do their share of the heavy lifting.